friends, my name is Arvind from Senior KG Mount Rochaji School. Have you ever wondered where food goes when we eat it? Nobody is today will tell you about it. When the stomach is a part of our whole digestive system. When we eat the food, it goes to stomach. Stomach's like a grinder. Stomach's like letter J. It breaks the food into liquidy mixture. When it joins the food, it sends to small intestine for further processing. Do you want more facts about stomach? A person can survive without stomach. He has to eat small meals and frequent meals. Second is size of the stomach. The size of the stomach is 12 inches tall and 6 inches across. The time to digest the food takes 5 to 7 hours. Animals have 4 chambered stomach. Hope you understand this interesting fact about stomach. Bye and have